Take a ride in the 2020
Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.